Hey guys, today we're in the shop at Fayette Trailers, and I just want to show you one of our Corn Pro trailers from Cornelius Manufacturing in Indiana. Not a lot of you know that we stock livestock trailers. Normally we stock them just in a 16-foot standard. This is a 7,000 pound, 6 by 6.5 by 16 foot long. On this unit, we got the rear sliding gate, and of course it opens full also. Got the center gate to divide your animals. 3,500 pound torsion axles. Of course you can see it's basically just your standard livestock trailer. Cornelius Manufacturing, I never get a complaint about these things. The epoxy paint, the diamond plate guards they put on the fenders and in the front, and of course the vents in the front to keep your animals vented while going down the road. Never get a complaint about them. Great trailer, great construction. Come see us at Fayette Trailers.